I'd like to share a revelation that I've had during my time here. It came to me when I tried to classify your species. I realized that you're not actually mammals. Every mammal on this planet instinctively develops a natural equilibrium with the surrounding environment, but you humans do not. You move to an area and you multiply, and multiply until every natural resource is consumed. And the only way you can survive is to spread to another area. There is another organism on this planet that follows the same pattern. Do you know what it is? A virus. Human beings are a disease, a cancer of this planet. You are a plague, and we are the cure.
So, is humanity a virus? First, we must explore what a virus is. A virus is a protein capsid encasing RNA and DNA. By transferring DNA between species, viruses carry out a form of genetic engineering much like the conditioning of the decanted individuals in Brave New World. Like a meme that spreads a particular ideology or behavior through a group of people, viruses alter the genetic codes of their hosts by implanting their own viral DNA into the nucleus. This causes a change in the behaviors of the host, much like a person altering their behavior or beliefs because of their exposure to a meme. After a host cell has produced a certain amount of the virus, they overwhelm the host cytoplasm, causing a drastic increase in pressure, and the cell explodes. A person overwhelmed by too many memes becomes stressed by conflicting messages between their own beliefs and other memes.
To give you a visual example, this is a virus meme. Like our ancestors of the past who were believed to have started in Africa, a virus starts in one person or animal. After having consumed the resources of one area and reproducing, a virus spreads to another person through coughing, blood, or skin contact. Humans followed this pattern as well, slowly spreading throughout the entire world. Once having entered a new host, or in the human case, land, they must find the perfect place to multiply and thrive. In our example, our virus meme has entered the person's blood system. Humans search through a land to find a place where they can take full control. Places like London, Hong Kong, New York, cities where people thrive. Once we have taken control, we find a piece of land we can use for nutrients and reproduction. Meme too has found its host cell. By simply adding its DNA, the host cell becomes a factory for more viruses. And then what happens? More and more viruses are produced, just as more human factories arrived, creating more and more products for human consumption. This continues until eventually the cell dies, leaving behind an army of viruses just waiting to find a new host. Humans have done this too. Through our influence, we have built factories for our needs that eventually destroy the land. So are we viruses? If water pollution, global warming, and all the other ways in which we deplete the world's resources are an example, then I would have to say yes. But maybe we're different. Unlike viruses, we have free will. We can change. We can reach equilibrium with nature and stop the viral cycle from repeating itself.